For the next one, we're going to try 3 of the summer plastic seashell cups.
These are little iridescent like seashells, and I thought these were really cute because they're kind of opaque. And I thought we could do 3 of them, put them together, and make like a hanging solar light arrangement with the little solar light sticks from the Dollar Tree. Now, they had these at the Dollar Tree. Also, they have a clear blue mermaid tail that I think would be really cute with this as well. I chose these because they were more opaque. I thought it would look really good with the lights in the side of them. So I just need the bottoms of the cups and I just need the tops of the solar lights, and we can start putting these together. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is just start hot gluing some rope around the edges of these because, again, they have like the little screws there for the cap. And I just want to kind of cover those up and make it look a little bit more coastal. With this Dollar Tree rope, it doesn't take a lot to cover that up. And then I'm going to cut that down and glue it to it. Now we're going to go in and do the same thing on the other 3. So basically I am doing the rope on the little plastic cups separately from doing the rope on the side of the solar lights. That way I can take them apart if I need to and replace the lights. And you'll see how I string all these up as well. So just covering up that screw part on all 3. And mine just worked perfectly if you just went around with the rope about 3 times. And I hung this in my Florida room. It's kind of in front of my curtains. I don't know if it's charging properly there, so I'm probably going to have to move it. Thinking about hanging it right outside my Florida room, like maybe above my bench out there. And maybe it will work a little bit better because I think maybe I just blocked all the light from it. But I'm just going to burn off the fuzzies on those ropes to clean those up a little bit, and then we can start putting the little solar lights on them. Now, you guys asked for solar light DIYs with a coastal feel, and I think I may have went a little crazy making 20, but I wanted to give you guys a wide variety and lots of ideas that you could use. So I just used that Dollar Tree twine. I just cut out a rather large piece and glue that on the inside so we can make little hangers. I want to hang them all together, like in one little arrangement, kind of like you would hang like a wind chime or buoys or something like that, but just with seashells. So I do that on all 3. So right now they're still kind of all separate pieces, but they all have long rope handles. Now I just do a bead of hot glue all the way around and just glue on one of those little solar lights to the top, kind of sandwiching in the handle. That's going to make the handle a little bit stronger. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing here with the other 2. I don't know if you guys have allergies really bad right now where you live, but where I live in Florida, I have been suffering for weeks. My eyes are completely swollen shut in the morning. Now they're like, crusted shut. Oh my gosh, I have been struggling so hard with my allergies. All of my normal things are not working, and I'm really not wanting to go to the doctor to get a prescription for some steroids, but I probably should. Today, I reverted to trying some herbal medications for it, and actually, I think I might have had a little bit better effect with them, but it's so embarrassing. I can't wear my contacts, and everywhere I go, my eyes are all swollen. It looks like I've been in a fight or something. Hopefully it's about over because I can't take much more of it. So as you can see, I'm just tying them to each other, like right above their solar light. I just loop that around and tie it, and I do that on both of them. You want to make sure that you don't get them so close that the light from one is too bright for the solar panel on the bottom because, again, they only turn on when it's dark. So I tried to stagger them, like completely kind of one completely on top of another. And that seemed to work. I also wanted them to hang a little bit straighter, so I'm just going to glue the twine on the sides of the little solar lights. And as you can see, that one in the middle is a different kind of light. That's why I put it in the middle, because it was different. But I guess some of those lights from the Dollar Tree do have that smooth surface on the side. So if that's what you're looking for, you might be able to find those as well. Again, they have so many varieties. I couldn't believe it. And I just leave the silver on these. I think it's fun. It adds to the coastal feel. And this is how they look hanging during the daytime. Very cute white shells. I'm going to use these year round, but these would be great for a beachy decor. These would also be great for a party for decorations. And these are how they look lit up at night.